Honorable participants at the LIFE4MEDECA conference. I'm very happy to address you today on this urgent topic regarding limiting pollution in the Mediterranean region. Low emission control areas save citizens' lives and preserves our environment. It's actually very simple. Therefore, I do support the designation of the Mediterranean as an emission control zone. Pollution from maritime traffic is affecting citizens, farmers, cultural heritage and nature, especially in areas next to our oceans where many people live. The Mediterranean Sea has been an economic and cultural powerhouse for thousands of years and drawn many people to live and work in the port cities and on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. Therefore, citizens' lives is directly being affected by maritime traffic on our oceans. Creating an emission control area would improve the air quality and lives significantly for those citizens affected. I myself come from a city at the coast of Denmark. In Denmark, more than 300,000 ships passes through our waterways every year. Therefore, the impact and pollution from maritime traffic is important to me, and I know that an emission control zone can help reduce the negative environmental and health impacts of the area. The results from the North European Emission Control Area are clear. It is possible to reduce the pollution through the dedication of an emission control area without affecting administrative costs or consumer costs. The shift toward net zero emission economy is irreversible. This counts for all sectors, including the maritime transport sector. Pioneering countries and regions will reap the benefits of this transition with lower public health costs, and that's important, and even an economy fit for the future. I hope that the positive results and experiences together with the results from the LIFE4MEDECA workshop will pave the way for an ambitious result of the Barcelona Convention conference this December. Thank you so much for listening to my short intervention, and let's all do our best in order to work towards a future with low emission zones at the sea. Thank you.